Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? We have new lesson today. It's Hamida. First letter is Ha. Okay, this one Ha, and top of the Ha, this sign is Fatah. Fatah. Okay, yeah, and Ha, Ha Fatah Ha. 10 times repeat it, please. Ha fataha, 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 ha fataha. Okay, next one we have this one meme letter. Okay, and bottom of meme, this sign is kasra. Okay, I was explained for you when will come this sign on bottom and any letter, then you will say this kasra. When come top of the any letter, then you will say fatah. Okay, now it's meme bottom of the meme, this sign kasra. Meme kasra meme kasra me. Read, please, read 10 times, repeat it also. Meme kasra me, meme kasra me, meme kasra me, meme kasra me. Meme kasra me, meme kasra me, meme kasra me, meme kasra me. Okay, this one meme kasra me. Okay, ha me, ha fataha, meme kasra me, ha me. Now you can read ha and me, ha me, ha me, ha me. Repeat it, please, some minutes. Ha me, ha me, ha me, ha me. It's ha. Okay, and that's on me. Allahu Akbar, it's very easy. This one ha. Okay, ha, and this one is me. Ha me, ha me, ha me. Next one, last letter we have dal. Dal. Okay, this one is dal letter. Okay, dal. Top of the dal, which sign? It's fatah. Fatah. Okay, dal fatah da, dal fatah da. Repeat it with some minutes. Dal fatah da, 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 dal fatah da. It's very easy. Okay, you can repeat from the beginning now. Ha fataha, mim kasra mi, ha mi, dal fatah da, ha mi da, ha mi da. Okay, this one is ha. Next one is this one me. Next one is this da, ha mi da, ha mi da. It's easy lesson today. Explain, mashallah.